So just picture yourself. You become better at sales and you make more money than you have ever before. Today, we'll be diving in what I think are the most valued businessmen on YouTube that teach sales. And I will tell you how they personally helped me out to reach 6 figures in my first year of business. I hope through this video you'll understand the importance of going through YouTubers' teachings and then narrowing down to less YouTubers and then finally taking action. So the question is, do you want to make more money with anything you're doing right now or that you want to do? Then you definitely want to stick around for more info in this video. So who can you learn sales from on YouTube? I've watched countless YouTubers over the last decade about entrepreneurship, sales, and I'll tell you right now which of those guys stuck out the most for me. On the list are Hormozi, Valuetainment, GaryVee, Cardone, and this last one is not a YouTuber anymore, but it's Tate. I've watched his stuff in the past and it's not all too bad. What do you think? Do you like Tate or do you think he's a fraud? When I first started going through these guys on YouTube, it was mainly GaryVee and Cardone on there. The main aim here going through these YouTubers was to see what would fit best in my life. But I came to a realization that everyone's life is a little bit different and you can't just stick to one guy's teaching as it's not going to be a perfect match for your life. So that's why you should watch many different channels. So those guys were helpful, knowledgeable, but it wasn't quite the fit that I was looking for yet. Then I started watching Valuetainment, but like the guys before, he was good to absorb the pieces, but it was not the best as a whole. Then I came across Tate's lessons. He has a pretty extreme view on everything, but it's not all too bad. You're still gonna learn something. Would you listen to someone like Tate? I think there's always something to learn from the good and bad. What to do from the good and then from the bad, what not to do. But it's important to always keep an open mind. Finally, who is the YouTuber that resonates most with my situation? Well, he's more recent, but none other than Hormozi. I think his language is very simple to understand. I like that he started with local service business and he stuck to it even till now. He did branch out to other industries. I think his message and his videos are the best fit for my service business. And after learning from him, I finally started my own business fully and I did 6 figures in the first year. He gave me some better ideas than I've learned in the past and I acted right away on them. Let me know if you have watched him before. If not, I highly recommend checking him out at least. I'm curious to know who's your favorite on YouTube about sales, entrepreneurship. Let me know down in the comments below. But out of everyone you watch, you can definitely pick up the pieces, but not one guy is going to be one size fits all. So just explore as many entrepreneurs as you can and stick with the ones that resonate with you the most. And in the end, just don't watch endlessly. So just try what they're teaching, let it shape your own knowledge and let it transform into your own experience. What will you do to get to 6 figures? Well, if you want to make 6 figures and you enjoyed this video, found some value, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. But thank you so much for watching till the end and I'll see you in the next video.